Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm doing a collaboration today with Stella's Miniworld. We're going to leave her link below. Go watch her video today and subscribe to her channel. She is great. She just goes to every channel and leaves the nicest comments. She's just the nicest person. What we're doing is a 2-day collab. And the first day, which is Stella's birthday, happy birthday, Stella! We are doing a winter outfit for our Blythe dolls. And this is what I made. And I came up with the idea of using the regular pants pattern. I made jeans. This is something I would have worn when I was younger, yes. Even in the winter, I would have had short sleeves and no socks. I used a Barbie pattern, but I cheated the back a little bit. I had to pull it a little more over to the side. See what I'm saying? The snap's over here rather than the edge, and I'm okay with that. It's got a little fold over, but I'm happy with it. And this is the pattern I used. Even though this is 2 parts, I'm going to cut all of my outfit and my coat out at once. And what I'm going to use, I have these leggings that I sacrificed, and I'm going to try to sew these on my sewing machine. Sometimes my sewing machine doesn't like stretch fabrics. We'll try it. And what I'm using for that, I meant to have this open. Let's see if I can find it. I have already scaled down this Barbie pattern, 11.5-inch doll, it doesn't say Barbie, for these pants. I had used them for another collab with Piececraft Dolls with Tammy Polly. And so I know I already made the pattern, taking this down to Blythe size. And then I really want to make this coat. Isn't that the cutest? I absolutely love that. But since I'm using this stretch pleather that I'm absolutely in love with, wish I had bought 5 yards. Look at this. It's got just enough stretch that you can make doll leggings with it. I love that. But since I'm using this, and my sewing machine will sew that, I'm going to use this jacket and give it a try. They have it, you can see it in both of these. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, is cut out my pants, and I'm going to use just a regular Blythe pattern for the top. I thought this would be cute. Valentine's Day's coming. And then the pleather for the jacket. And then something I've been doing on my channel lately is challenging myself to try to make little outfits for the mini Blythes as I do for the Blythe dolls. They are not exactly the same, but they match. And Darren makes these little shoes on the 3D printer. Oh my God, I just love them. We use a little blue tack to keep those on. But I am in love with these little minis, and that's what I came up with for her, the little top and jeans. Be sure to follow the link below and go by Stella's channel and see what outfit she made today. I know I can't wait to see it. That's where I'm heading next. Tomorrow we'll be showing you the same dolls, and we made them coats. I hope you'll come back and take a look at my attempt at well, I'm not going to tell you. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.